Another geometry question. It says here, A. Find the shaded area. B. Find the percentage of the shape that is left. To simplify my steps, I'm going to call the parallelogram A and the triangle B. So to solve for A, I will do the area of the parallelogram A, take away the area of the triangle B. First, the area of A, the parallelogram, is 4 times 2.5, and this comes out as 10 centimeters squared. Second, the area of B, the triangle, is half times the base 2 times the height 1, and this comes out as 1 centimeter squared. Last step is to find the shaded region, which is A take away B, and the 10 take away 1, and this comes out as 9 centimeters squared. And this is my final answer for A. B, to find the percentage of the shape left, I will do the part over the whole times 100, which is the shaded region divided by the area of the parallelogram times 100, and that is 9 divided by 10 times by 100. And if we simplify a 0 with 0, that will come out as 90%. And this is my final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe for all the upcoming videos. See you in the next video.